Well, it's no secret the cost of just about everything is going up.
And you may have noticed around the kitchen table that does include how much you're paying for your car insurance premium.
And in tonight's KX Conversation, a breakdown of car insurance costs, and with the help of our state's insurance department, Deputy Commissioner John Arnold joins us. Thank you so much for joining us today, John.
Thank you for having me.
So talking about some of the latest numbers from the report you received, what seems to jump off the page at you as far as where a lot of these increases are coming from?
Thanks for the question. The biggest thing that jumps out from the report, which is an annual report that we conduct with different driving scenarios from around the state, is the importance of shopping around, working with an insurance agent, figuring out what your situation is, what your needs are, and shopping around with the different companies to find the best rates for your situation.
And have things gotten a little bit more expensive for the auto insurance industry as well?
Sure, just like everywhere else in all areas of the economy, parts are getting to be more expensive, labor is getting more expensive. That's impacting these premiums, as well as some unfortunate trends for driving behavior is getting a little more risky, and all of that is being reflected in the auto insurance rates.
What seems to be the question you get asked most? I know from, even whether you might be a working parent or a driver of any age, it's always been the onus on it for so long has been just about your habits, your speed, your defensive habits behind the wheel, even some of, how alert you are as far as trying to minimize your own risk. But it seems there's more to it than that as far as, for anyone wondering, what can I do to try to bring down this cost?
You're right. Taking those defensive driving courses, being sure that you do follow speed limits, you're driving safely, all are very important. A lot of it as well now, we're getting a lot of questions, is the new technology in vehicles. That adds a lot of cost to vehicles. When there's an accident, you're not just repairing a bumper anymore, you're also having to recalibrate all those instruments, and that has an impact on the repair work as well.
There's no such thing as a $50 weld to put the fender back on the car anymore, like decades ago and everything. What even from the company side of it too, because obviously you hear testimony and you hear from spokespeople and reps from these insurance companies who ultimately it still run like a business and everything. But what's been the difference, and as far as what the reasoning is behind some of these numbers?
A lot of it is, again, just that the simple fact of the rising costs, as well as, unfortunately, some increased risky behavior, which the risky behavior, we can easily control that if you choose to drive more safely. But also, again, just going back to no companies have the exact same rating models. So that's the importance of shopping around and making sure you're getting multiple quotes to find the best coverage for your situation.
And you guys just had a brand new cost comparison survey. What did that report uncover?
We publish that report annually. We present 12 scenarios to 23 companies that represent the most auto carriers in the state. Those 12 scenarios range from a single young adult male through a middle-aged woman with multiple children to a widow. And so there's a little bit of something in there for everybody. That none of those 12 scenarios may perfectly fit you, but you probably know somebody who those 12 scenarios fit. And we ask those companies, given this situation, what do you charge for premium? And it just really highlights that importance of shopping around. And we encourage people to go look at that report and then talk to an agent.
Gotcha.
Our guest once again is North Dakota Deputy Insurance Commissioner John Arnold. Once again, if you're looking around for car insurance, it may be worth a second, possibly a third opinion, and compare the numbers, see if they might work best for your family. John, I want to thank you so much again for taking the time.
Hey, thank you.